Savage Bakers. Welcome to today's part of the vlog. We have made it out here to Chicken Wings' house. What it do, Chicken? He on the phone right now. And Leo over there barking. But yeah, he has already started up the grill. He got the ribs going. Yeah, we already got the fireworks lined up inside, but let me show y'all real quick. Got the grill going, the smoker. He got his thermostat. Chicken chilling right there. What it do?
Play it loud.
Play it loud. Okay, I like that shirt. What was that? What was that?
It's the auger twisting. It's getting old. I've had it for 3 years. The auger spins in there when it pushes those pellets through, and it's probably got a bad spot in there somewhere.
Little baby Leah. What you doing, Leah?
Yeah, but it's getting dark. Is it going to rain?
It sounds like it. Not sounds like it, but look like
It's probably a pop-up shower.
Yeah.
Yep. Look at the radar. It's just stuff popping all around.
Yep.
It might rain for 15 minutes.
Bet.
Maybe. That's bright, dude.
Bombastic side eye.
Yeah, in the bag.
Oh, damn.
Oh, right here.
Oh yeah, I'm not about to eat.
Wow, these are good.
Oh man.
Long
You
time
gotta
no
burn
see. You
yourself.
been working like crazy.
Why? These are good. See, they work first try.
First time.
Because they're brand new.
You. Bro. So okay, look, we out here chilling, right? Jay over here doing his thing, Chicken doing his thing, and then me and Taiwo, we struck up a conversation. This guy was like, so I went to a bar up there in T-Town the other day, and he was like, yeah, I got kicked out. What did they say?
They said I puked on the counter.
Which, was that the case?
No.
Okay then. Well, this right here, if y'all didn't know, that's my drinking buddy right there.
That's right.
We'll drink each other. Nah, I haven't overdrunk you yet. Every single time it happened, I tapped out.
Yeah.
I'm like, this guy. Why you quiet now? Normally you be talking.
You ain't drunk enough.
I was listening.
But you ain't talking now.
I know.
So any other time you quiet. Quiet
I'm
as
sipping on the drink.
Okay.
Oh my god.
And then why you over there sitting being quiet?
What you talking about?
You.
Jay Savage.
See?
I'm looking for a car.
You looking for a card.
Yeah.
You gonna buy another one? What's wrong with your GR86? Drop my Lambo like a Chevy on some rich. You can't talk to my girl. She a rich.
All right, man. Look at all of us out here. Chicken over here, just casual dressing. Saul over here, casual dressing. Me, casual dressing. And then look at Jay right here.
Jay Savage.
Boy out here like.
We're going to the club.
What are you trying to show out for?
Nobody.
Nobody.
There's a
Bro,
girl.
This
coming
is how I
later.
normally dress.
There's a girl coming later. He just ain't told us yet.
You crazy.
Or he could be going somewhere else.
Nah.
This is our old stomping
You
ground.
going to the bar with him after we get done?
Yeah. I don't go to no bar.
Why not? Why don't you want to go?
That ain't my type of vibe. I don't like bars.
Why don't y'all want to go?
I got to step back into the drinking field.
Oh.
We can ease you into it.
Yeah,
Fine.
you can ease me into it. I'm easing myself into it right now. I got a drink inside.
Dang.
I poured like 2 shots in it. So yeah, we can not. Nah, I ain't about to say that. I can't go too far. Some NCS. I know what that is.
This isn't
What song is that?
Origin
Origin.
by
Okay.
Electric Joyride.
Oh yeah, I know some NCS.
Electric Joyride.
But anyways, y'all, Chicken got some chicken on the grill. I mean, you can't grill without having chicken out here, and it's smelling good. Look at that. Boy, you see the seasoning on that.
That's what you want,
Okay.
bro.
Okay, what's the purpose of putting the charcoal on one
ain't-
side of the grill?
It ain't seasoned unless you sneezing. And
That's
so
a good way to put
it's
it.
an offset. It's you put your hot coals on one side and your cold on another. You don't want to have one zone that's too hot.
Okay.
So you want to have a hot zone and a cool zone. So basically, all the heat's going to push through the holes over here, and it comes from the bottom, from the oxygen created from the heat. But, I said that so wrong. But, the coals are hot. You're on a cool side, so it can cook evenly and slow. You don't want to burn it, the outside, and not be cooked in the middle.
Okay.
What
Okay.
happened?
We learning something new.
But with ribs, the key is, I do my ribs different than most people. A lot of people do the 3-2-1 method, which is let them sit on it for 3 hours at 225, wrap them for another 2 hours, and then take them off and let them finish. I don't do that. I put mine on the grill. I put it on this pellet grill right here until the rub sticks to the meat. When it's hardened on there and it's stuck, then I'll wrap them with butter, whatever you want to wrap them with seasoning.
Okay.
And then I let them finish on there until I pick them up and they start bending. That's how you know they're done.
Okay. Okay. Is this the seasoning you put on the chicken?
Yes. Killer Hogs, Malcolm Reed, shout out to him. Not a
yeah.
sponsor, but
He makes some good cheese.
he does.
Calling all Savage Bakers. Calling all Savage Bakers. We are here, ready to start this 4th of July celebration. Everybody is over here at the truck. Let me show you real quick. They're already out here shooting some fireworks. What is that in the middle of the road? But yeah, we got chicken chunk lined up with everything.
That's cool. I like that. Shoot.
Purple smoke. But all right, here goes our firework lineup. We got a lot this year. Y'all ready for it?
Hell yeah.
So, you ready?
Oh yeah.
Aaron, you ready?
Always ready.
Oh yeah.
Always.
Oh yeah. Miguel, you ready? Oh yeah. Okay. Jay gone. Last but not least, you ready for this?
Yeah, it's a little loud.
Yeah, we're gonna have some fun. Sorry about that light. It's a little bright. All right then, you guys. Let's go ahead and see what we got.
Let's go. I got my limb. Move.
If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the
Jay, Chicken, Miguel, and Aaron.
Oh, well.
My bad. But thank you all for this great 4th of July.
Yes, sir.
Another one in the books.
Yes, sir. Until next time.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But we about to get ready to head out of here.
Shout out to the stream.
The stream.
I don't know.
Yeah, we don't know.
Stream 6 o'clock tomorrow night. Be
No.
there.
Yeah, whatever he says. But all right, Jay, we'll catch up with you.
Alright.
Deuces. Buy 3 Funko Pops, get 1 free. Only if you're Barnes & Noble member, Second and Charles member. Unfortunately, Second and Charles shoppers, we are having to close